We considered recently a few points regarding shorthand writing full stop, and it may be of interest if we now deal with those points in a little more detail full stop. You may remember that our first point was that you, comma, as shorthand writers should not regard any sort of paper as good enough for shorthand notes full stop. If the paper you use is of poor quality, you are making it less easy for yourself in your attempts to write at a higher rate full stop. Your writing materials should always be of the very best quality, comma, both in your school work and at the office full stop. Also, comma, you must train yourself to turn over a page very quickly full stop. Otherwise, you will find that, comma, by the time you have turned the page, comma, the reader will be too many words in front of you full stop. It has been found that many shorthand writers fail to pass shorthand test simply because they have taken too long to turn over the page, comma, and so have lost several words full stop.